harassed by a peacock right now. What up, cuz? You ain't from the Peacock Crip gang, nigga?
What's up?
What up, nigga? You wanna hit the blunt?
Come here.
You wanna hit the blunt? You wanna hit the blunt? Hit that blunt, son. Hit that blunt, son. You wanna see it, son?
No, you wearing the wrong colors, alright? You wearing the wrong colors up here.
Okay, let's
He's about to start packing some shit.
Yeah! He's pissed, son.
Fucking window.
Oh shit, there's a crow, son. Yeah, I threw 2 mushrooms out. Stop, I need those.
Really?
No. Yeah. Hey, fuck that bird. Watch this shit. I need those mushrooms, son. What's up? Come at me, bro. You ain't trying to see me though? You ain't trying to see me though, Peacock? What's up, Peacock? What's up, Peacock? It's just me and the Peacock against the world, you know what I'm saying? Just doing Peacock things. You know what I'm saying? That lady just saw me. Yeah, we're doing Peacock things, son. Burn out, son.